everyone, we have this Kleenest brand magic eraser. Just wet it with water and rub it, stains disappear. Let's check it out. So this one is a pack of 4 sponge. MRP is $329, but we got it from Amazon for $299. So one magic eraser will cost us rupees 75, and it is white colored melamine foam sponge, and it activates when you dip it in water. One side is plain and the other side has the rough surface. To use, first you dip it in water, no soap, no gel, just water, and then squeeze the water out between both of your palms. Do not squeeze it in your fist, that's mentioned on the pack. How effective is it? It removes the kitchen grease so easily that it genuinely feels like magic to me. You can use it on your kitchen, washroom, walls, tiles, floor, glass, appliances, even shoes. Everything. And it has literally no smell. It is chemical free. From kitchen grease to paint marks, everything comes off with this, and it is multi-use. You can keep using it until the sponge wear out. Just wash it with water, squeeze it, dry it and put it away. Use it next time. Honestly, I'm actually impressed with this product. It works with water and leaves no scratches after cleaning. It's genuinely an effective product. Definitely worth trying. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.